B syndrome diagnostic principles. Concept of painful obstruction. In Chinese medicine, the term B syndrome means obstruction of qi and blood. The concept of painful obstruction is therefore extremely broad. In the clinical situation, the symptom can be quite varied. Painful obstruction pattern can also be classified in various ways. According to etiology, pondering painful obstruction with predominant painful obstruction, severe painful obstruction, called predominant painful obstruction, fixed painful obstruction, damp predominant painful obstruction, febrile painful obstruction, heat predominant painful obstruction. According to depth of disease, skin painful obstruction, muscle painful obstruction, vessel painful obstruction, sinew painful obstruction, bone painful obstruction. According to disorder of the yin, organs, heart painful obstruction, lung painful obstruction, spleen painful obstruction, liver painful obstruction, kidney painful obstruction. According to the site of the symptoms, painful obstruction with chest pain and stiffling sensation. Throat painful obstruction with hoarseness, pain and swelling of the pharynx, bladder painful obstruction with retention of urine. In addition, there are patterns such as painful obstruction of the qi, blood, and food. Painful obstruction of food, for example, covers all the symptoms associated with dyspnea as well as intestine obstruction. It is thus not a very useful term, being too broad. In modern Chinese medical practice, the term Heji is used for esophageal obstruction and Fan Wei for obstruction of the stomach or duodenum. Some types of painful obstruction can be called by two or more names. For example, painful obstruction of the lungs is the same as painful obstruction of qi, and painful obstruction of the vessel is the same as painful obstruction of blood. Thank you for your attention.